Hello, friends. With every morning comes a new opportunity, and today I am here with another exciting opportunity for all the BTech pass outs from 2019 to 2021 batch over there. So, here the company name is Zoho, and we all know Zoho is a very great brand. Currently working in more than 5 to 6 countries worldwide and headquartered in Chennai. That's a part of India, South India. So Zoho, as we all know, is a business software company, and it works on various things like CRM, help text, books, mails, and it gives software to different companies who ask for its software. As it's a very great company, it's trusted by many brands. Like see, we can here see as Apple, HBO, Netflix, Intel, Wiresource, Sony, Mahindra, etc., etc., etc. So, only the thing that I'm making clear from this thing is that it is really a great company, and we all should, whoever they are pass outs from BTech, should apply for this as it's a very great multi brand running in more than many countries worldwide. So, let's talk about the various uh, interview thing, the recruitment edge, the job profile, the interview steps, the profiling of the company, what would be the basic description, the needs, the pros, the cons of applying in it. So, starting with the role, you will be offered a software developer, the promising core profile that every guy is looking uh, for in this great time. Sitting at home, you are getting such a good role. I don't think you should miss this chance. Experience asking in this is from 0 to 3 years, that is from 2019 to 2021 batch pass outs can apply. Okay, so job description, as you can already read for yourself, is develop, test, implement new software programs, write clean and efficient code. This thing is the greatest requirement by all companies because it really helps them filter candidate. Prototype develop, now these all are the points which are common in all. If you are given some support projects, then your work would be to troubleshoot, debug, maintain the existing software program. So you should know each and every technical aspect of the field you have studied or you are pursuing right now. Now, interview process. Apart from other companies, this company will give around 5 rounds. All rounds should be conducted online for sure because the time is tough right now. Still, the corona is on. So, except the first round, from two to fifth round would be conducted online through video conferencing. Okay, the video conferencing would be on, and you'll have to give this round. Then I think what I can assume from this is then that shall be or will be the interview round. Definitely, what you need a laptop and good internet connectivity. That's not the need but necessity for this time. Shortlisted candidates would be informed via mail. More details regarding the next round would be sent in the call letter. Okay, so if you get shortlisted through your resume, from the form that you would fill, and I'll tell about that form right now. So you'd be given a mail via mail. You'd be given the call letter, and in that call letter, you'd be having all the details. Now, what's the main point that you should know? If you have attended a written test or interviewed at Joho any time in the previous 3 months, then you cannot apply for this. You are not eligible for this, or you are a student of 2022 pass out. So these were the things that basically I have concluded from this. Now talking about the thing as how the form would be, where you will fill, come to the form. So this is the Zoho registration form, the link of which I'll be giving in the in the description box. And any question that arises, you can ask in the comment section. Okay. So the form comprises of name, mobile, email, department. This depth is department, and department simply means the graduating stream or the stream which you are pursuing right now. This CSE IT, ECE, these are all the branches of BTech. So if you are from computer science, you will fill this as CSE. From IT, from electronics, these are the things. Okay. The stream definitely would be IT. Graduation year, as I said, 19, 20, and 21 are officially invited for this recruitment, as it is a off campus. Name of college, you will fill in whichever college, like let's say JP group of institution. So here you would fill JP group of institution. Official date of birth, your date of birth, your address, the address which you are residing currently, like where you are right now, the same address. Work experience if you have, then only. If you don't have, then too, it's totally okay, nothing to worry about. Native district, the district where your permanent house is allocated, so that address you would be putting in native district. Now the last thing, resume. You'll browse from your system, you'll apply, put this resume on this, and then you will click the submit button. Okay, so this is the form which you'll be filling, and this will lead you to get into this recruitment, off campus recruitment drive that is being given by Zoho Corporation. So I think, and also I hope that I made myself really clear. If there arises still any query, you can definitely mail me on the mail address given on the YouTube channel, or you can comment in this comment section of this video. So goodbye, Tata, take care, and definitely go through this interview. Thank you.